Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete contacts on Android. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to delete contacts on your Android device here, how do you exactly do it? Well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to access the Contacts app. Now, usually it's going to be at the very bottom of the screen. So typically it's going to be the Contact, Phone, Messaging, Browser, and Camera app that you see at the very bottom here. Now, this actually depends on your phone, so usually it's going to be pretty much the same thing because most devices already uses what we call Google Contacts, which is the default app that you have on your Android devices. But just in case, again, the steps are going to be pretty much going to be the same here. So what do you need to do next? So you want to open up the Contacts app here, and you want to go and just access the contact that you may want to delete. So, for example, you only want to delete one contact. You want to go and just choose one contact here, and you want to go ahead and basically click on the delete button that you see at the very bottom of your screen or in that contact page. Again, you just need to scroll down a bit, click on delete here, and that should delete that specific contact. Now, obviously, they may require you to confirm that you want to delete this one. You go and click on delete, and once you've done that, your contact should be deleted. Now, what if you want to download multiple contacts in your device? Well, this one is quite simple. So what you need to do is you want to go and just press and hold on one of your contacts and just select all the other contacts that you want to delete. Now at the top right, you should see a trash can icon. As you can see right now, trash can icon. That's going to just press or click on it, and it's going to again ask you if you want to delete your contacts. Now if you're sure, go and click on delete, and that should delete those contacts that you selected right now. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.